Greetings, dear learners. I am Faculty of Moral Science at SRN International School, Jaipur, Rajasthan. In this video, I will be explaining you the topic of moral science of grade 7. The topic for today's video is discipline makes us successful. So in this video, we are going to study that how discipline helps us in making us successful. So we begin with the topic. Before starting the topic, we will begin by the quotations by Robert Gilbert. The quotation says that first we form our habits, then they form us. Conquer your bad habits or they will conquer you. This is true. They form us. Conquer your bad habits, otherwise they will conquer you. Why do we lack self-discipline? Most of us have a habit of justifying our bad habit, poor behavior and laziness. Always we have this habit of justifying it. We use an array of excuses to justify our wrong deeds. This happens with everyone. Without self-discipline, we are susceptible to the viruses of bad habits. The most destructive viruses in our personal life is just the justification virus, because when we give justification for everything, it becomes a habit, and that to be the bad habit. So it leads to the unsuccessful life. We should look at lack of self-discipline as a sort of disease, because when we will see it a lack of self-discipline, then we have the habit of taking the self-discipline. So now let's take with the next topic. So the topic for next is ingredients of self-discipline. So when we make some food, we need the ingredients for it. Like for example, if we are making tea, then what we will be needing? We'll be needing milk, sugar, tea leaves, water, etc. So the ingredients of self-discipline will be ability to accept facts and criticism. When you will able to accept the facts and criticism, then it will lead to the self-discipline automatically. So we will need the ingredients, persistence, and ability to achieve anything. The fourth one is being meticulous. Being meticulous means that you should be regular with whatever you are doing. If you are pursuing something, then you should continue it after finishing the goal properly. Continuing and regularity. Continuing and regularity means that you are doing your work beyond ordinary, because if you are doing your work without interest and beyond ordinary, then it will not become so good. So now comes to self-discipline. What is self-discipline? Discipline is the ability to be able to take a decision and stick to whether you choose those actions or not. Imagine when you could achieve, if you could stick to what you decide to. When you decide that you have to do that work 100%, then you will bring your whole energy into that. So that is, this ability is required. Now, let's see what are the benefits of self-discipline. There are certain benefits of self-discipline. We will discuss three in this. Children or any individual become punctual in submitting homework or any work. The next is carry books as per the schedule, the class schedule or the timetable, and keep their belongings safely. You can see that in this picture, the book is shown. It is very regularly packed, and the next image is of stay safe. So you should keep your belongings safely so that you will become more responsible. So that was all for today's video. Thank you. I hope you got the importance of self-discipline, because discipline is the basic necessity of any human being. Discipline makes you a overall good, healthy and gentleman individual. So that's all for today's in a video. Thank you. Keep subscribing it, liking and comment and share. Thank you. Keep smiling and stay healthy.